my aim's up, I'm waving. Can you see it? God, that's great. What was that? I can't hear you.
You heard me.
Oh, still nothing, dude. If you're trying to talk to me, I don't know. Whatever.
As we had hit and we made contact, I wanted to get out of the way of everybody else that's coming, right? You want to sit in the middle of the track.
Well, again, I try to race clean. I didn't try to throw a block. That's my line. I was running as clean as I could. I just didn't understand. I wasn't like the last lap or anything.
Yeah, but you normally block, so you normally block. So we'll just go from there. We'll leave it as a racing deal and whatever.
Wait a minute. You say I normally block? What are you talking about?
I've been in other races with you where you normally block. You'll change your line completely to block the guy behind you. I've watched you do it. I've been behind you when you've done it.
Yeah, I don't know where you're coming from there because I run the same line and I have a 499 safety rating, so I don't think I'm the one that drives over my head or crazy.
And I have a, 468 safety rating? Safety rating means nothing.
I don't know. All right, I guess you have an attitude about it. I don't think you had any problem wrecking into me. I think that it was easily avoidable.
Well, they call me Junior Miller, man. Is that better? Oh, let me guess. You don't know Junior Miller, do you? My bad, dude. My bad.
Yeah, well, I know who your grandfather is. I can tell you that.
Who?
Jamie Camano. Maybe you should go talk to him about how to race, because you obviously don't know how to.
I believe you made a mistake. I believe that's not my grandfather. I believe that's my father.
Well, whatever. Then you need to go talk to your dad. Dad's a class guy. I don't know. Okay, you obviously don't get any of his racing experience from him.
Oh, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I believe I didn't do anything wrong. I just got wrecked for no reason.
Every race you guys enter is a joke. Comment. I didn't give you all kinds of room the other night. Now all of a sudden I'm a dick. You keep messing around, you'll never finish another fucking race.
I-16, you just haul out the track in front of the cars, or what's going on?
What was that about?
Slalom course. Talk about a slalom.
Man, he just come in there and bunted that big thing and took me out with it.
You must not be live.
Yeah, okay. You didn't see what the
doesn't
16
worry
did
much
besides
about
you
his
saw
rating.
coming out of the pits? Just hauls out onto the track in the middle of a race when he's 4 or 5 laps down. You didn't see that? 16? You hear me?
Well, hey guys, have fun sitting at your computer.
Flipped him.
Hey, you're gonna get
got the grass
focused
slowed
and
down.
you'll probably be banned from Ireland, buddy.
I don't think you will be.
Perfectly fine with me, Troy. For what you did, you had no reason to do what you did to me, so that's fine. We'll fight this one out.
didn't have nothing to do with it, Brett. We have started that 100 times.
Okay.
It never happened. And why did I come on the radio and say, Brett, come on down? If I was trying to jump, why didn't I go on and take the lead? I could have took the lead right then, but I was trying to let you come down.
You should have took the lead, because apparently that was the intention.
No, it wasn't. I don't know why you got a problem understanding that. And I don't understand what you don't understand, that why would I came on the radio and said, Brett, come down, if I was trying to do that. You didn't take off good, for whatever reason.
Because I was getting passed by my teammate on the inside before I ever come close to the start line.
Well, I'm sorry, Brett, you go wrong.
You can think that all you want, brother.
I do think it. And again, why did I come on the radio and say, Brett, come down, if I was trying to jump? Why did I back off?
I'm assuming you felt bad because you jumped the start. Hell, I don't know.
Well, again, you're wrong. I'm sorry, but you're 100% wrong. Oh, all of a sudden I jumped you and I felt that. I mean, God, come on.
You just came across my nose and wrecked me. Yeah, go watch the replay, dude.
Yeah, whatever, buddy.
No, Greg, understand. You suck. You wrecked me.
You fucking suck, so shut up.
You fucking asshole. Pulled out on the track.
I'm sure the language is strong in there.
You wrecked like 4 times before that,
Yeah, he
asshole.
put it in there. Just pull right.
You didn't just take out one person, you took out 4, the top 4, you jackass.